The world of reality television has always been full of surprises, but the latest chapter in the journey of one of the stars of TLC's hit show 1000 LB Sisters has left fans, critics, and industry insiders absolutely stunned. After years of battling obesity, personal struggles, and the pressures of fame, one of the most beloved cast members has taken a completely unexpected turn in her life and has officially launched a career as a fashion model following her incredible weight loss transformation. This move has sparked headlines, trend across social media, and reignited conversations about body positivity, second chances, and how much reality television personalities can reinvent themselves once the cameras stop rolling. What seemed impossible just a few years ago has now become a dazzling reality as fans see a completely new side of a star they have followed for years on 1000 LB Sisters, and the reaction has been nothing short of jaw-dropping. The Slayton family has become household names since the series first aired, chronicling the lives of sisters Amy and Tammy as they struggled with weight, health, and personal challenges in Kentucky. The show was raw, emotional, and at times difficult to watch, but it struck a chord with millions of viewers who saw not just the drama of weight loss, but the deeply human side of two women trying to take control of their lives. As seasons progressed, fans rooted for their victories and grieved during their setbacks. For one star in particular, the journey has been extraordinary, and now the journey has reached a milestone that no one saw coming. Launching a modeling career is not just a career shift, it is a bold declaration of transformation and confidence. After shedding hundreds of pounds, reshaping her lifestyle, and embracing newfound health, the star has stepped into an industry notorious for high standards and intense competition. Yet instead of being overlooked, she has been embraced, with fashion photographers, designers, and modeling agencies eager to highlight her story and her look. Insiders revealed that her debut into modeling came after a few candid photos went viral online. These images, which showed her in stylish outfits paired with a slimmer figure, immediately drew attention from fans and fashion bloggers. The response was overwhelming, with many praising her poise, glowing skin, and undeniable confidence. Soon, opportunities began pouring in, from collaborations with clothing brands to invitations for photo shoots. Within months, what began as casual photos evolved into professional modeling sessions. One of the first brands to sign her was an inclusive fashion label that specializes in highlighting diverse body types, which felt like the perfect fit for her story. In campaign images that quickly spread across Instagram and TikTok, the star is almost unrecognizable from her early days on 1000 LB Sisters. Instead of being defined by her weight or struggles, she is commanding attention with her style, grace, and confidence. The modeling industry has long been criticized for narrow beauty standards, but in recent years there has been a massive shift toward diversity. Brands now actively seek models who represent real people, not just the traditionally thin and tall figures of the past. In that way, her rise into modeling has been perfectly timed. With her fame from reality TV and her authentic, vulnerable story of transformation, she is not just another model in front of the camera, she is a powerful symbol of resilience and change. Commentators have even noted that her influence might go beyond entertainment and fashion. Some predict she could become a motivational speaker, an advocate for body positivity, or even the face of national campaigns about health and self-love. For fans, seeing her in glamorous outfits and professional photography is almost surreal. Social media has exploded with side-by-side comparisons of her old appearances on the show versus her latest modeling pictures, and the difference is staggering. Fans describe her as glowing, radiant, and even unrecognizable. Hashtags featuring her name and the phrase, "Fashion Queen," have trended multiple times, with thousands of supportive messages from followers around the world. Of course, this transition has not been without its critics. Some viewers worry that the star's modeling career might create unrealistic expectations for others still struggling with weight issues. Others suggest that her story is being overly glamorized when the reality of her journey included countless painful moments, surgeries, setbacks, and emotional battles. But defenders argue that her new career is not about perfection, but about celebration. It is a reminder that transformation, while difficult, can open doors once considered permanently closed. The star herself has addressed some of this criticism directly, saying in interviews that modeling is not about vanity for her, but about embracing confidence and inspiring others to never give up on themselves. She emphasizes that her body is still not perfect in the eyes of traditional beauty standards, but she is proud of how far she has come and is determined to enjoy opportunities that once felt like fantasies. The behind-the-scenes journey to this new chapter has been intense. Sources close to her revealed that the transition from reality TV personality to fashion model involved months of coaching, styling, and adapting to a whole new industry. She worked with professional trainers to maintain her health, took classes on posing and runway walking, and collaborated with stylists who helped her find a personal fashion identity. Friends describe her as more energized than ever, thriving on the excitement of photo shoots, networking events, and fashion shows. In many ways, her new career has given her a fresh purpose after years of being defined primarily by her weight struggles. On set, photographers have praised her natural ability to convey emotion and confidence, with some comparing her to seasoned models who have been in the industry for years. Fashion experts also note that her story gives her an edge. In an industry overflowing with faces, her journey makes her stand out in a unique and powerful way. The financial benefits of her modeling career are also notable. Reality TV contracts often bring moderate fame but not enormous wealth, unless stars branch out into businesses or endorsements. By entering the fashion world, she has opened herself to lucrative opportunities, from brand partnerships to sponsorships. Already, she has been featured in advertisements for plus-size fashion, skincare products, and lifestyle brands that emphasize empowerment and authenticity. Fans speculate that her career could soon expand internationally, with possibilities of walking in fashion weeks, starring in magazine covers, and even developing her own clothing line. Industry insiders say she has already been approached by at least 2 publishers interested in having her write a memoir, combining her journey on 1000 LB Sisters with her new life as a model. Her family has reportedly been supportive of her new career, though some admit they are still adjusting to seeing her in such a glamorous spotlight. For viewers who remember her early struggles on 1000 LB Sisters, seeing her strike poses in high-end outfits feels like watching an entirely different person emerge. Siblings have commented that they are proud of her resilience, while friends cheer her on from the sidelines of fashion shoots. Even Tammy, who has faced her own dramatic transformation, has reportedly expressed admiration and encouragement. Fans speculate that the Slayton sisters could even collaborate in future projects, possibly merging their influence into something bigger than television alone. The cultural impact of her modeling debut cannot be overstated. It comes at a time when society is increasingly rethinking ideas of beauty, worth, and transformation. Her career sends a message that radical change is possible, even when the odds seem overwhelming. She embodies the idea that no matter how far someone may feel from their dreams, persistence, determination, and support can lead to extraordinary outcomes. Her story continues to ripple across media platforms, with countless fans commenting that they feel motivated to pursue their own health goals, personal ambitions, or creative dreams after watching her success. From the small-town girl battling life-threatening obesity on national television to the glamorous figure gracing photo shoots and campaigns, her journey has been nothing short of cinematic. The launch of her modeling career marks not just a personal milestone but a cultural one, a moment that highlights the evolving relationship between reality TV, fashion, and the public's appetite for stories of redemption. Whether she continues modeling for years to come or eventually shifts into other ventures, one thing is clear, she has already left an indelible mark on both her fans and the industry. What once seemed impossible has become reality, and her rise stands as one of the most unexpected and inspiring transformations to ever come out of reality television. Her fans now wait eagerly for every new picture, every new campaign, and every new announcement. The excitement surrounding her modeling debut has set the stage for what could be the most successful and empowering chapter of her life. What began as a story of survival has blossomed into a story of triumph, and for 1000 LB Sisters viewer, the message is clear: no matter where you start, the foot you can always be rewritten. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.